So, can I get a happy customer? Or...
No, you showed up. You showed up.
On time,
now
too.
show out.
Now show out. That's what I do.
All right, amen.
Yeah. Look at these. Look at these new bags. Okay. Where's my swag bag, bro? Where's my to-go bag so I can put you on the show?
So we have
live every day.
Okay, well, what is this?
I'm live on my YouTube.
Are you serious?
Always.
So this is, which channel is this?
This is my YouTube channel, Saints
For
Addiction,
you and your world and your network?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm too old to try to remember a lot. Sure. If you're going to do it with the right and not with the wrong.
There you go.
Much love, much respect to those who are associated with his brother's network for what he's doing, the lives that he's touching, and the truth that he's telling. Amen.
I reach, preach, and teach every day. Yeah.
The truth is easy to tell, isn't it?
Yeah. I got you. And look, there's yours right here. So, yeah, no. There it is.
So let me chat for a while.
Chat up.
I'm gonna take him away from you.
What's up, girls?
All right.
You can take me away. That's what it was exactly last time. Yeah, I know. Because you don't want it to hang off the bottom, so we don't have to cut it. It's 2 inches from the top, 2 inches from the bottom. I know what I'm doing. Look, he was trying to sweat me on my live, bro.
No. Listen, folks, listen to me.
All I'm doing is hustling.
Which I much respect.
All right. I got my flyers.
But forgive me. You know the old phrase, measure twice,
cut once.
Amen.
Okay. So I got you. Yeah, hey. I'll be right here. I'm gonna install it. I got it. Really? No swag? Yeah, I know a guy that prints. He's got like a print an hour, and now he's doing AI business, InASec.Ai.
I've heard about this. So that's why one day when you decide to quit teaching, preaching, and talking to the world,
right?
Which I know you never do.
Nah.
You're always chasing the world.
Sure.
Then we need to keep it talk.
That's it. This. Yeah, you do, because you're gonna tell somebody to call me. You're gonna spread the good word. Oh, okay. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right. Let people know I gotta go upstairs and put flyers there too.
Okay,
all right. But I'm installing yours first because it's 3 o'clock and I said I'd be here. Bam. That's it.
No much love for you.
That's
Call me if you need me.
I got you. Sorry, bro. Don't mind me, girls. I'm gonna have my little live here watching this. I don't have you on it. You can sound it out.